Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we're making paneer and red pepper curry. So this is a 10 minutes recipe, so it can be added to your easy dinner recipes collection. The ingredients list for the dish is given below, so do check it out. For more such paneer and easy dinner recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So let's move into the recipe. So I've heated oil in a pan on medium high. I'm adding some chopped garlic into this. And we are going to cook the garlic until the raw smell disappears. Once the garlic is done, I'm adding in some onion paste. And we're going to cook the onion as well. You don't need to change the color of the onion, you just need to cook it until the raw smell disappears. So the onion has cooked nicely. Now let's add the next ingredient. So this is cumin powder and red chilli powder. Mix it in and cook it along with the onion and garlic. Once that's done, I'm adding in tomato puree. So you can see we've used onion paste and tomato puree in this recipe, so there's no cutting involved except for the garlic. So that makes it very quick to prepare when you are pressed for time. So the tomato also has cooked for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the red chili sauce. You can use red chili sauce or any chili garlic sauce of your choice. You can substitute it according to your taste. Now I'm adding chopped red bell pepper. You can use capsicum as well. The taste will differ, but then if you don't get red pepper, then you can use capsicum instead. Now it's time to add salt to taste. Let's mix everything together and cook the bell pepper. Since it's a little dry, I'm adding a little bit of hot water to this, mixing everything up and just deglazing the pan. Now it's time to add the crumbled paneer. Now I'm adding in some cream. I'm using normal homemade cream here. You can buy it from store as well. Just mix everything together. Bring it all in. And now we'll just allow this to cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the paneer is nice and soft and ready. This can be served with roti or chapati. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.